What if the most profound forces shaping our modern world weren't visible to the naked eye? What if the intelligence guiding our decisions, entertaining our evenings, and even driving our cars spoke a language you've never truly heard? We live in an age of unprecedented digital complexity. From the vastness of the internet to the intricate dance of artificial intelligence, something fundamental underpins it all. It's a silent architect, a universal translator, and a powerful engine. This is the story of Python, not the serpent but the programming language that has quietly become one of the most influential tools in human history. It's the bedrock of countless innovations, yet its elegance lies in its simplicity. At its core, Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language. Think of it as a set of instructions, written in a way that's remarkably close to human English. This readability is its superpower, making it accessible to beginners and powerful for experts. Unlike some older, more rigid languages, Python was designed with human understanding in mind. Its creator, Guido van Rossum, envisioned a language that prioritized clarity and conciseness. This philosophy led to its distinctive, clean syntax. This isn't just about writing code, it's about thinking clearly. When code is easy to read, it's easier to write, debug, and maintain. This fundamental design choice unlocked an explosion of creativity and collaboration. But Python's influence extends far beyond its elegant syntax. Its true power lies in its incredible versatility. It's not just good at one thing, it's exceptional at many. Consider the sprawling landscape of web development. Frameworks like Django and Flask, built on Python, power some of the most dynamic websites and applications we use daily. They handle everything from user authentication to database interactions with remarkable efficiency. Then there's the revolution in data science and machine learning. Python, with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, has become the undisputed champion. It allows researchers and engineers to wrangle massive datasets, identify patterns, and build predictive models with astonishing speed. Think about the recommendation engines that suggest your next movie on Netflix or your next song on Spotify. These sophisticated algorithms, learning from your preferences, are often crafted and deployed using Python. It's the invisible hand guiding your digital experience. The cutting edge of artificial intelligence, from natural language processing to computer vision, is deeply intertwined with Python. Frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, written in Python, are the foundational tools for developing advanced AI models. Even in fields like scientific research, finance, and automation, Python is indispensable. Scientists use it to simulate complex systems, financial analysts build intricate models, and engineers automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human potential for more creative endeavors. This widespread adoption isn't accidental. It's fueled by Python's massive, vibrant community. This global network of developers constantly creates and shares libraries, pre-written blocks of code that extend Python's capabilities exponentially. Need to process images? There's a library for that. Want to connect to a database? There's a library for that. This collaborative ecosystem means you rarely have to start from scratch, accelerating innovation at an incredible pace. The true revelation of Python lies in its democratic nature. It lowers the barrier to entry for programming, allowing more people to translate their ideas into functional software. It empowers individuals to build, create, and solve problems that once required specialized, arcane knowledge. It's a testament to the idea that simplicity can lead to profound complexity. A language designed for human readability has become the backbone of the most advanced technological systems on Earth. It's a bridge between human thought and machine execution. So the next time you interact with a smart device, stream a movie, or witness the marvels of artificial intelligence, remember the invisible language at work. Python isn't just code, it's a testament to human ingenuity, a tool that amplifies our ability to understand, create, and shape the future. It's the quiet force empowering the digital age, inviting us all to speak its powerful yet elegant tongue.